everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm cash stuffing for the week. I have $6.85 that I plan on putting into my envelopes this week. So I'm just going to figure out the amounts that are going into each one, and then after I do that, I'll be able to go to the bank and get the money to cash stuff for this week. So I already figured out my wallet. It's getting $170. That's my usual amount that goes into my wallet here. So spending this week will get $30, eating out will get $30, groceries will get $80, coffee $20, and buffer $10. And one good thing about coffee, one good thing that I found out this week is I think Starbucks started changing up the way they're charging for extra add-ons. And the drink that I get, it's like a custom drink that I order. So it starts off with an espresso shots, and then I add things on top of that. So some of those things, you know, add up, and it would make it like over $6 for a drink. But I guess they changed their policy on their add-ons. So now my drink is around like $5.40, and sometimes I'll get $1 off. So now my drink is like $4 sometimes for something sometimes. So basically my drink is cheaper now thanks to that new policy. So I doubt that means I'll have money left over in here because I don't pay with cash. I just reload my card and pay in like $10 increments. So I think I'm still gonna spend the same amount, but I'll probably be able to get maybe more in the long run. Yeah, since it's a little bit cheaper now. But that was a nice little thing that I figured out this week that happened. That was nice to see. So yeah, that's gonna be $170 in my wallet. All right, now I get to move on to, I'm actually gonna start off in some savings challenges first. Figure some of these out. So the first one I wanna do is, the roll the dice one here. Get the dice and the paper. Okay, I'm gonna go back to like letting the dice figure out how many times I'm rolling. We'll see how that goes for a bit. So I'm gonna roll the dice to see how many times I'm rolling, basically. Oh, one. One time. Okay, one time it is. 4 and 2. It's only $1. Okay, I'm gonna do one more time because one is. Okay, let me do that one again. Okay, 2 and 2, $1. Okay, so $2 is going in here. Not a lot, but it's something, so that's good. So that one's 2, and then I'm going to start calculating this. 70 and 2. All right, so $2 in there. It does give me more money to put into other challenges, so that's good. I will be unstuffing some of these challenges, like these over here. This one, and my dollar savings challenge. Yeah, I always unstuff those at the end of the month to start new, to start fresh for the beginning of the month. Okay, so got those figured out, and then I do want to do maybe the cash stash one. I'll figure that one out. I don't think I'm going to color in one of these this week, but I'm going to plan for actually, I'll do 25. Should I do 25? No. I'm just gonna do 10. I'm gonna plan 10, and then next week I'll maybe do 15. Okay, so 10. And then maybe I don't know if I have enough leftover money to put in this, but I'm just gonna do 10. That one's not my main focus. I wanna focus on 100 envelope. Almost done with this one. So this one I'm going to do 26, the largest number here. So 26. And then I have 52 circles. I don't want to do 29. So I think I'll do 10 in this one. And if I have leftover money, I could bump it up. All right, the other challenges I'm gonna come back to. Now I'm just gonna go into my envelopes and fill these up. So my main priority envelopes right now are extra savings, So this one, I'm gonna put 50 this week. Month ahead, we'll get 50. Also, I have a couple in here. I'm doing Christmas. Yeah, I'm gonna do 50 in Christmas. Also, I'm making treat yourself a priority again because I feel like that one's important for me to keep prioritizing for myself. So 50 will go in here. All right, I'm left with 267 to put into everything else. So we'll see how I can get this to go into everything else I have. All right, auto is gonna get 10. Electronics will get 10. Emergency, I will put 20 in emergency. I already did extra savings. Furniture will get 10. Month ahead, I already did rainy day. I'll put 15 rainy day. Registration will get 5. Road trip will get 15. Scentsy, 5. Subscriptions, 5. And travel, I want to put 10. Okay, that's good. Those numbers sound good to me. Next, I'll go into this binder. Okay, I have beauty. I just spent everything from beauty, so beauty's gonna get 10 this week, but I also don't need anything. Oh. Actually, I need toner. I think I forgot to buy toner when I went to Ulta yesterday. That was on my list, and then it totally escaped my mind that was on my list. Oh, I should have brought a list with me. Oh well. Okay, so I'll figure that out. I'll put 10 in there for now. Clothing is not a priority, so this will get 5. Costco will get 5. Family, I want to put 15 in family. We're doing something this weekend, so I'm gonna put a little bit in there. Gifts. Okay, gifts I need to put, I'm putting 25 into gifts, I think is good. Okay, home, we'll get 5. Household, we'll get, I have nothing in household. I spent everything, so I want to put 15 in household. Pantry doesn't get anything, and Target will get 5. Okay, so I'm left with 77. I have this left, some envelopes in here, and my savings challenges. Some savings. Disneyland, I will put, I don't know when the next time I'm going to Disney is. But I'm gonna put just 5. It's not a huge priority. Go Wild, especially since I don't know when I'm going. We'll get 10. Treat yourself, done. Fun will get 5. Hobbies will get 5. Christmas already done, and holiday decor will get 5. Okay, so that is all the envelopes in the binders. I have 47 left, so I'm gonna go into here, and I only have the $10, $5, and $1 challenge. So in the $10 challenge, I'm gonna do 20. The $5 challenge, I will do 15. I don't want to put $12 into the $1 challenge, so I think I'm gonna bump up. Okay, I'm gonna bump up beauty because I forgot I needed that toner. So beauty is gonna get 30 this week, just so that way I can go and get that. So I'm sorry, it's gonna get 20 because I could take a 10, and I had 10, so 20, and then that 2 will go into the $1. Okay, so that's everything, I believe. I think that looks good. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is just double check my numbers, make sure I did put $6.85 here, and then I can move on to figuring out the denominations. So everything looks good on the numbers. So now I can move on to the tallies. All right, so I just realized like this paper I used to print these is like the worst kind of paper. I think I just used like basic paper and it's so thin. But I'm gonna be doing a budget setup for July, and I'll be changing out the paper for this to nicer paper quality. So I won't have to deal with it anymore. All right, so I'm just gonna figure out the denominations now and just figure out what's going into what. So auto is a 10, so that's a $10 bill. So is electronics. Emergency is a $20 bill. Extra savings 50, so I'll get a 50, 10. These are pretty straightforward. Rainy day is 15, so that's a 10 and a 5. And then I have registration is a 5, a 10 and a 5 for road trip, 5, a couple of 5s, and then 10, 20 for beauty. Clothing and Costco have 5 each. Family is 15, 10 and a 5. Gifts is 25, 20 and a 5. Home, 5, 15, a couple 5s, a 10, a 50. Try to make sure I'm not putting in the wrong spot. Okay, 50 and then 5, 5, another 50, 5. 100 envelope is 26, so that's 20, 5 and a 1. Cash dash is 10. That's a $10 bill. Roll the dice is 2, so we'll put 2 there. 52 circles is 10. 10, 10, 10. Okay, and then $10 challenge is 20, so that's 2 10s. $5 challenge is 15, that's 3 5s. And then $1 challenge is 2. Okay, so now I can just add these up. So 50s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 20s, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And then 1s, I have 4, 9, 10. Okay, and now to just add this all, or multiply this out and then add it together to see if I still get 685. So 50s times 5 is 250. 7 times 20 is 140, right? Oh gosh, I'm guessing myself. Yeah, 140. 180 for 18 tens. 21 times 5 is 105, and then 10. Okay, and I'm just gonna add this up, make sure this is all good. 250, 140, 180, plus 105, and 10. No, I messed up somewhere. Wait, 250 plus 140, 180, 105, and 10. Oh, it's right. I just calculated it wrong. Okay, we're good. I don't know what I was doing. Yeah, 250, 140, 180. Oops. 250, 140, 180, 105, and 10. 685. Okay, perfect. All right, so now I'm just going to get a little sticky note and write all this info down so I can take it to the bank. All right, so 50, I need 5. That's 250. And then 20 times 7 is 140. 10 times 18 is 180. 5 times 21 is 105. And then I have 1 times 10 is $10. Okay. and that's a total of $6.85. All right, so I'm just gonna put this in my wallet, so when I go to the bank, I have it with me, and that's what I'll give it to the teller to get this week's cash stuffing money. Okay, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you watched to the very end, you're amazing. I really appreciate that. Put a blue heart down in the comments so I know that you're one of those awesome people, because it really means a lot. It helps out my channel a lot too, just for like the analytics and engagement. So I really appreciate you doing that. But I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Hopefully you'll want to see how all this money goes into my envelopes when I cash stuff tomorrow. So definitely check that out. Yeah, that is going to be it. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one.